получается это произнести, господи. Почему? Почему у меня не получается это сказать? Я не понимаю. Hi everyone, I'm glad to see you on my second lesson, and today you will learn something about gender of nouns, declensions, and 21 new words from the third declension. There are 3 genders in Russian: masculine, feminine, and neuter gender, or as we say, middle gender. And if we look at pronouns, like he, she, it, he means он, she means она, and it means оно. Pay attention that you can guess the gender of noun if you look at the end of the word. So, the most masculine nouns have in the end consonant, like in word on, just because we associate consonants with masculinity. The most nouns of feminine gender have in the end vowel a or ya, like in word она, just because we associate vowels with the femininity. Now we are ready to talk about declensions. Declension isn't the same as a noun. I'll give you my definition of declension. Declension is a category of noun that contains the gender and the ending of noun. Declension determines how noun will change in different cases. And to correctly decline, you should know or remember or understand, and better to feel which declension noun belongs to, and I will teach you how to do it. Let's start with my favorite declension, with the third declension. The third declension contains nouns with a feminine gender and with a soft sign in the end. Yes, they are special, they are different. Examples: любовь, love, осень, autumn or fall, тетрадь, notebook, цель, the aim or the target or the goal, лень, laziness, соль, salt, обувь, shoes, and мать. It is a rougher expression of word mother. Любовь, осень, тетрадь, цель, лень, соль, обувь, мать. They are all women. They have feminine gender and soft sign in the end, and it is a third declension. The next examples: новость, news in a singular. So if we have one information, we say новость. Not news, only one. Власть. It is like authority or power over something or somebody. For example, I own the marker. So it is my power over the marker, and it is like власть. My власть over the marker. Радость. It is gladness or joy. And жизнь, it is a life. There we have new pronunciation rule about s and z. So, consonants s and z before soft dental like t, d, s, n, l. In our case, it is t and n. They become soft. Look at transcription, please. Новость. We pronounce s, t softly in other cases. We don't say новость hard. Власть, радость, жизнь is difficult to pronounce for me, really. So we should say it like сть and зинь. Новость, власть, радость, жизнь. More softly. Z and s become soft because after s and z we have soft t and soft n. Soft t and n make s and z soft also. But we have exception with the word мысль. Мысль it is a thought. And мысль pronounce without soft S. We say with a hard S, мысль, not мысль. It's more old pronunciation, old Moscow pronunciation. In modern Russian language, we should pronounce it like мысль, S hard, мысль, but новость, власть, радость, жизнь. There we say softly S and Z, and there we say hard, мысль. The next examples. Дверь, it's a door, and смерть, it's a death. And here we have two pronunciation rules. The first, dental consonants like G, D, Z, S, in our case it's about D, before soft labial B, P, V, F, M, in our case it's V, retain hardness. So what we see? Двери. We can say двери to make the soft like V, but then we will sound like very old people who live in village or in old Moscow about 50 years and more ago. So in modern language we say двери, the hard, the soft, дверь, not дверь. Дверь, sorry, please try to do it hard, дверь. And the next rule about R, letter R before soft consonants is hard. So we have смерть, but we don't say смерть. Смерть, it's also like when old people from village talk. They can say смерть, дверь, and another words with a soft pronunciation, but it isn't correct for modern time. Better to say смерть and дверь, not дверь and not смерть. It's too old, it's too ancient. And the most interesting examples. Ночь, it's a night. Помощь, it's a help. Вещь, it's a thing. Дочь, it's a daughter. Роскошь, it's a luxury. Мышь, it's a mouse. And мать, it's a rougher expression of word mother. It's like mother, but more rougher. So, ночь, помощь, вещь, дочь, роскошь, мышь, мать. And probably you ask me, Yesha, why is there a soft sign everywhere? Even with a always soft consonant like ch, sh, ch, and soft sign with always hard consonants like sh. For what? For what there a soft sign? And I answer you that soft sign shows the feminine gender in these words. Really, one day people decided to write soft sign to show that these nouns have feminine gender. They're all women, and you can understand it if you look at the word, you see the soft sign, and you're like, okay, yes, this is feminine gender. That's all. And there is one interesting difference between мышь and мышь. They sound the same, but if you see мышь with a soft sign, that means we're talking about her, about Minnie Mouse. If you see мышь without a soft sign, that means we're talking about him, and we're talking about Mickey Mouse. That's the difference between мышь with a soft sign and мышь without a soft sign. Feminine gender, masculine gender. And now a home task. You should choose your favorite words from the list I gave you today and learn them as good as you can. If you liked my video, please subscribe on my channel, on my social networks, Instagram, Facebook, Wiki, and our ones. So glad to see you, have a good luck, thank you for watching, bye!
A soft sign everywhere. Сука.
Я тебя уебу нахуй. Какой Микки Маус? Какой, блядь, Микки Маус? Микки Маус. Ну ты не можешь, блядь, нормально произнести нахуй. Ну пиздец, ну что за хуйня, я не пойму, блядь.
Блядь, сука, какой Микки Маус. Ну что у тебя хуи во рту, блядь, постоянно какие-то крутятся, и ты не можешь нормально это произнести.